Go the extra mile. How to achieve financial success like billionaires do. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is not a luxury but a vital ingredient for long-term success. Self-care means nourishing your mind, body, and spirit. It means making time for activities that bring you joy, recharging your batteries, and maintaining well-being. You are your greatest asset, and by prioritizing self-care, you can go the extra mile in the pursuit of financial success. Take breaks when needed, practice mindfulness, engage in activities that rejuvenate you, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. When you invest in self-care, you cultivate the energy, focus, and resilience needed to navigate the challenges along your path. Embrace self-care as an integral part of your journey to financial success, and watch how it empowers you to go above and beyond, just like the billionaires who understand its significance. Build a strong work ethic. It's about going the extra mile and giving your absolute best in everything you do. A strong work ethic means embracing a relentless dedication to goals, and staying committed even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. It's about cultivating discipline, focus, and a burning desire to succeed. When you develop a strong work ethic, you push past those limits, consistently deliver high-quality work, and exceed expectations. It's the mindset of taking initiative, seizing opportunities, and constantly seeking ways to improve. Success is not handed out, it is earned through hard work, determination, and a never-give-up attitude. Embrace the challenge, stay hungry, and always be willing to put in the extra effort. Build a strong work ethic, and watch how it propels you towards financial success, allowing you to reach new heights and achieve greatness beyond your wildest dreams. Focus on high-value activities. They understand that not all tasks are created equal and that their time and energy are valuable resources. By identifying and prioritizing high-value activities, they ensure that they are investing high efforts where they will yield the greatest returns. It's about concentrating on activities that align with their goals, bring the most significant impact, and contribute to long-term success. They don't get caught up in busy work or distractions that don't move the needle forward. Instead, they go the extra mile by dedicating time and attention to tasks that truly matter. Take a step back, evaluate your actions, and ask yourself, is this task contributing to my financial success? Focus on high-value activities that align with your vision and watch as your efforts compound, propelling you closer to your financial goals and beyond. Remember, by consistently going the extra mile with purpose and focus, you can create extraordinary results and achieve the level of financial success you aspire to. Network strategically. Just like billionaires, who understand the value of connections, networking strategically can open doors to unimaginable opportunities. It's about building meaningful relationships, industry experts, and influential figures who can support and guide you along your journey. Strategic networking goes beyond superficial connections. It's about creating a genuine bond built on trust, mutual respect, and shared aspirations. By surrounding yourself with successful people, you tap into a wealth of knowledge, experience, and inspiration. These connections can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and mentorship that accelerate your growth and propel you towards your financial goals. Be proactive in attending events, joining communities, and engaging in conversations that expand your network. Be authentic, provide value, and approach networking with a mindset of abundance and generosity. Remember, the power of strategic networking lies not just in what you gain, but also in what you can contribute. Go the extra mile to build and nurture meaningful connections, and watch how the universe aligns to support your financial success. Enter a world where dreams become reality. Our blog, BraylenAV.com, unlocks the secrets of success, luxury, and extraordinary living. Subscribe now. Invest strategically. When it comes to achieving financial success, investing strategically is a key element that billionaires understand all too well. It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. Strategic investing involves careful research, analysis, and a long-term perspective. It means diversifying your portfolio, spreading risks and seizing opportunities in different asset classes. By going the extra mile in understanding market trends, studying emerging industries, and seeking expert advice, you can make decisions that have the potential for significant returns. Strategic investing requires patience and discipline. It's about staying focused on your goals and not being swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Just as billionaires do, be willing to take calculated risks, but always do your due diligence. Seek out opportunities that align with your financial objectives and have the potential for long-term growth. By investing strategically, you position yourself for financial success, building wealth and creating a solid foundation for the future. Go the extra mile in your investment journey, and watch as your financial dreams become a reality. Develop multiple income streams. By going the extra mile and exploring different avenues, you expand on financial opportunities and build resilience. It could involve starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or generating passive income through investments. Developing multiple income streams not only increases your earning potential but also provides a safety net against unexpected circumstances. It requires a proactive mindset, a willingness to learn new skills, and the ability to seize opportunities. Think outside the box, explore your passions and talents, and find innovative ways to generate income. By developing multiple income streams, you create a foundation for financial success that can withstand challenges and open doors to greater wealth and abundance. Go the extra mile and embrace the mindset of diversification, and watch as your income expands and your financial dreams become a reality. Develop strong negotiation skills. Negotiation is not just about haggling over prices. It's about creating win-win situations and maximizing your opportunities. By going the extra mile and honing your negotiation skills, you can unlock incredible value and propel your financial endeavors forward. It's about mastering the art of persuasive communication, understanding the needs and motivations of others, and finding common ground. Developing strong negotiation skills empowers you to advocate for your worth, secure better deals, and forge mutually beneficial partnerships. It requires preparation, active listening, and the ability to think creatively. Invest in improving your negotiation abilities, seek out training and mentorship, and be confident in asserting your value. By becoming a skilled negotiator, you can navigate the financial landscape with finesse, unlock hidden opportunities, and achieve remarkable success. Go the extra mile, sharpen your negotiation skills, and watch as you create favorable outcomes that propel you towards your financial goals and beyond. Mentors. They are invaluable guides who have walked the path before you, offering wisdom, guidance, and insights from their own experiences. By going the extra mile and seeking out successful mentors or reading their books, you tap into a wealth of knowledge and inspiration. Their stories and lessons provide a roadmap for your own journey, helping you navigate challenges. Mentors serve as a source of motivation, pushing you to surpass your limits and strive for greatness. Books written by them offer a treasure trove of wisdom, allowing you to learn from their triumphs and failures. Be proactive in seeking mentors or devouring books written by those who have achieved the financial success you aspire to. Embrace their knowledge, adopt their mindset, and let their success stories ignite the fire within you. By standing on the shoulders of giants, you elevate your own potential and accelerate your path towards financial success. Go the extra mile, seek out mentors or immerse yourself in their wisdom through books, and watch as their guidance propels you towards your financial dreams. In the pursuit of financial success, remember that going the extra mile is not just a slogan, it's a way of life. By following in the footsteps of billionaires and adopting their mindset, you can unlock your full potential and achieve extraordinary results. It requires prioritizing self-care, nurturing a strong work ethic, and focusing on high-value activities. Success is not handed to you on a silver platter. It's earned through perseverance, dedication, and the willingness to do what others won't. Dare to dream big, set audacious goals, and take bold action. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, learn from failures, and never settle for mediocrity. It may not always be an easy path, but by going the extra mile, you tap into a reservoir of resilience and determination that propels you forward. Believe in yourself, stay committed to your vision, and trust that relentless efforts will lead to the financial success you desire. Go the extra mile, and let your journey become an inspiration to others, leaving a lasting legacy of accomplishment and fulfillment.